Tired of hunting through Yahoo Mail to fix a wrong phone number or email? In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to edit any contact. First, sign in to your Yahoo Mail account, then we'll navigate to Contacts. Select the person and update their info in just a few clicks. Alright, let's start. Open your browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. Sign in with your email address and password. This is your main Yahoo Mail dashboard, so take a second to let everything load. Now look at the right side of the page. Below your profile icon, you'll see a section that says Contacts. Click on that. This opens up your full address book, which is where all your saved contacts live. Once you're in Contacts, scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the person you want to update. Click on their name to open their contact card. You'll see their current information displayed here. And here's the really important part. Look for the More Actions icon. It looks like 3 dots, usually in the top right corner of that contact card. Click on it. A small menu will drop down. From that menu, select Edit Contact. Now we're in the editing view. This is where you can update just about anything. You can change their email address, phone number, even their street address or birthday. Just click into any field and type your corrections. In my experience, people often forget to update the phone number field, so double-check that one. Take your time here, make sure everything looks right before you save. Once you're satisfied with the changes, find the blue Save button. Click it. This might take a moment to process, especially if you have a lot of contacts. To make sure everything's stuck, go back to your contacts list. Find that same person again. Open their contact card and check the fields you updated. You should see your changes reflected right there. That's your confirmation that it worked. And that's it. You're done. No more sending emails to the wrong address or dialing an old phone number. Your Yahoo Mail contacts are now up to date and accurate. Hopefully this saved you some time and frustration. Editing contacts in Yahoo Mail is one of those things that once you know where to look, it takes no time at all. And now you know exactly where to look.